Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python is widely used in various domains due to its versatility and large standard library, which provides extensive functionality for many tasks. Some of the key features of Python include its object-oriented nature, dynamic typing, and strong community support. Python's applications span across a wide range of industries and use cases, including 1. In web development, Python is used to build web applications and server-side programming with popular frameworks like Django and Flask. 2. In data science and machine learning, Python has become a leading language for data analysis, data visualization, and machine learning, with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and TensorFlow. 3. In scientific computing, Python is used in scientific research and engineering fields for simulations, mathematical modeling, and computational tasks. 4. In automation and scripting, Python's simplicity makes it an excellent choice for automating repetitive tasks and scripting. 5. In artificial intelligence, AI, and natural language processing, NLP. Python is widely used in AI and NLP applications, with libraries like NLTK and Spacy. 6. In desktop applications, Python can be used to create desktop applications with GUI libraries such as Tinter and PyQt. 7. In game development, Python is used in game development, both for creating games from scratch and for scripting game engines like Unity and Blender. 8. In Internet of Things, IoT. Python is employed in IoT applications due to its lightweight and ability to interface with various devices. 9. In robotics, Python is used in robotics for programming robots and controlling their actions. 10. In network programming, Python is used for network programming and creating networking tools. 11. In finance, Python is used in the financial industry for data analysis, algorithmic trading, and risk management. 12. In education, Python is a popular choice for teaching programming due to its readability and ease of use. The versatility and ease of learning make Python a preferred language for beginners and experienced developers alike. Its extensive community support and rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks contribute to its popularity across different domains. Python's widespread adoption and continuous development ensure that it will remain a prominent language in the software development landscape for years to come. For related videos, subscribe to Iogna Learning channel. Thank you for watching.